I asked my team, I told my intention, of course, this is slowly, a number of transformations have happened from my side. Those things are going to be reflected on my team also. I asked my team, as long as they are in Hyderabad, every day they have to visit office. As long as they are in Hyderabad, every day they require to visit office, compulsory, even on Sunday. There are 3 to 4 employees are there, Sunday they won't come. Sunday they won't come. Then I asked them, keep your right leg in office. Not required to take left leg. Keep your right leg in office and then go back. That Sunday also you require to come. At least 10 minutes better. What will happen is the continuity by default will be there. Because a simple question I asked. Array, for you in your life, you are having a number of problems. Is DURGASOFT the reason to solve some problems? Then my employees are always going to tell, yes, obviously. The counselor who is staying in hostel fee, I'm paying because of the salary one. The person who is, I'm just run my family just with the salary only. Like you have a number of things it's providing, right? Just a Sunday, why you have to separate? Just come 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Just come, just spend few minutes and then go. The continuity over a period of time, there's a big impact by default will be there. I hope it's clear for you my intention.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. You are not required to do gym 3 hours, 4 hours. Just visit the gym and then see the boat and then come back. That's my system every day. That is my system every day. Then obviously, one fine day, I may spend 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours also in the gym. That option by default will be there because you are in continuation. Take very, very special care. Procrastination is your biggest enemy. If you are not using medicine, is always a bigger problems will come into the picture. Okay, forget about outside enemies. Better to cure your inside enemies. That is the best because outside enemies sometimes we may not do anything. It's not in our control. But inside our body enemies are there. These enemies we can cure ourselves because everything is in our hand only. You are not required to do big changes. Your lifestyle required to change. Like I'm not talking. Just I'm talking about matter of 1 minute activity. Can you please do that? Matter of 1 minute activity. Can you do that? Like I'm asking. Otherwise, you never going to succeed in your life. You are always going to attract worries, sadness, failures. You're never going to become rich also. So that's why today onwards, of course, let me complete this part and then the transformation or otherwise today onwards. Today morning I decided every day morning at 5 o'clock I'm going to wake up. At 5, at least 3 to 7 activities I require to write. I'm planning. Sometimes I may plan, sometimes I may not write. But today I decided at least 3 activities I want, at least 7 activities I require to write. No, not 7. At least 3 activities I require to write. No, that thing also I don't want. At least 1 activity which is pending, I have to write. Smallest activity which is pending, I require to write. By end of the day, before going to the bed, at least 1 activity I require to complete. Observe that. In my mobile app, there is a notes is there. At least 1 activity I require to write. By end of the day, before going to the bed, at least 1 activity I require to complete. Sir, with one smallest activity, what you can do? Do you know the secret in that? I'm always using the word at least 1 activity. Sometimes I may write 10 activities also. Sometimes I may complete 7 activities also. It doesn't mean exactly 1 activity I'm going to write. Exactly 1 activity So starting is very important. So I'm not going to depend on motivation. I'm not going to depend on any other IBDA system. Every day, morning at 5 a.m. Anyway, I'm wake up. Just I woke up at 4:50, 4:55, something like by 5 compulsory I'm going to wake up. At 5, just I will write at least 1 activity. Today, at least 1 activity. Yes, win over procrastination. Win of the day over procrastination. At last, by end of the day, even by 12 o'clock also I didn't complete. First complete and then go to the bed. At least 1 activity. Over a period of time, There is a bigger difference by default is there. It is pure system I want to build. Better to follow this type of things at least. Smallest action only, smallest activity only, small stone only. You require to fight with a small stone only. But start that.